The world used to be such a loud place, so full of life, so full of noise. We went about our dreary existence, never knowing that in an instant, everything could change. Slowly at first, and then quickly, much more quickly, the world became a quieter place. The ambience of this world is deafening. The Pandora virus took everything from us. But it's given so much back in return. I know you must have some questions. I'm afraid I'm not going to be here to answer them for you.
Serena, are you okay? Wake up. Wake up.
I went outside for the first time today. There's nothing out there. Nothing. I'm so sorry. When I got back, I found Serena in a corner, convulsing. She had unplugged herself somehow. Now, she almost shut down completely. I could have lost her.
What are you doing?
I'm scanning you. It was a crazy thing you did yesterday. Could have lost you forever. Can you move your right hand?
No.
It's okay. I've got a spare. We'll put it in tomorrow. You've never touched me before.
I know you from before.
Do you remember me?
No.
Serena, do you know who I am?
What is Serena? I'm afraid to be alone.
Can't you have memories? The procedure was supposed to replace most of her neurological pathways. I mean, Pandora replaced entire sections of her brain. She wasn't supposed to remember anything. Can I get my real Serena back? Sometimes I wonder if I should have just left her die. But I need her so much.
Put your left hand here. Can you feel that?
Yes.
How about that?
Yes. What was that?
It's called pain. You can feel it now with the new stimuli sensors I've programmed in.
I like to feel.
There. Good as new. I'll update the rest of you soon. You'll be feeling like that over your whole body. Do you like it?
Gavin?
How do you remember my name?
Gavin? What am I?
You're Serena. Look at me. You're alive.
I don't feel alive. You feel alive, Gavin.
It's amazing. I think that she does have memories somewhere in there. I'm going to have my Serena back. I've missed her so much, but finally we're going to be happy again. It's 3:45 in the morning. I woke up around midnight, 12:30. Something just didn't feel right. Felt like a fever. I did some blood work, and I'm infected with Pandora. I don't know how this happened, but it's a new strain that I've never seen before. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hey, Serena, are you okay? Hey, What's going on? Huh?
I missed you, Kevin. You're always at work. I wanted to surprise you.
Water's freezing. Come here. Come here. Come here. It's okay.
Kevin.
It's okay.
Kevin. Kevin, I'm not afraid anymore.
What are you talking about?
I know I'm going to die. I just need to know that you'll be okay.
You're not gonna die, Serena. Look, I'm so close. You just need to give me a little bit more time. Okay? Tommy's almost finished with Pandora.
Kevin, you need to let me go.
Serena, no. Serena. I'll never let you go. Serena, I'll never let you go. I'm getting really sick now. I can feel the nanovirus eating away at my insides. I have a really high fever. And starting to get delirious. I'm going to die. I'm so close. I'm so close to having her back. And I'm going to die. Dying, Tommy.
What happened?
She's dying. We have to give her the Pandora.
No, we haven't tested it yet.
We don't have any choice. She's going to die.
You don't know what'll happen, man.
Do it, Tommy. Give her the Pandora.
Is that what she would want?
Do it, Tommy! Hold her down. It's gonna be okay. I'll never let you go. I know you must have some questions. I'm afraid I'm not gonna be here to answer them for you. The world used to be such a loud place. So full of life. So full of noise. The Pandora virus took everything from us. The ambience of this world is deafening.